Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Make sure your monitor and cable support 1920x1080 at your target refresh rate, for example 60 Hz. Once done, plug the display into HDMI or DisplayPort and power it on. This ensures the system detects the correct modes. On Windows, open Settings System Display. On Mac OS, open System Settings displays. Make sure to note current settings or create a restore point before changing anything, because reversing is easier than. Now you choose 1920x1080 in the resolution menu. On Windows, pick it under Display Scale and Layout, then open Advanced Display Settings to confirm the refresh rate. On Mac OS, hold Option while clicking Scale to reveal exact resolutions, then select 1920x1080 and the appropriate HC. Make sure to set scaling to 100% if text and UI look oversized. If needed, tweak scaling after applying the resolution. If the option is missing, update or reinstall the display driver before proceeding. Apply the new resolution and confirm when prompted. You have a short timeout to revert if the screen goes blank or unstable. Once applied, test with full screen video or a game to verify image sharpness and consistent motion. This confirms both resolution and refresh rate are correct. If you encounter problems, make sure to update the GPU driver, try a different high-speed cable or input port, and check the monitor's on-screen menu to ensure internal scaling or presets aren't forcing a different mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.